Good day, all dear players. Today I want to show you how to use this only working generator on the whole internet to make your resources unlimited, as you can see. I have almost nothing, but just keep on watching and I will show you how I got my unlimited resources. Go to the website that I'm showing in this video. First, enter your username or user ID. Second, select your phone device's Android or iOS. Third, select the number of resources that you would like to receive and tap proceed. At this moment of time you can simply relax and wait for the generator to process your request. After the generator finished, you'll be asked to do some simple verification. For example, just installs apps or games to play on your phone. Which is very easy and fun to do, so let me do this and I will show it to you.
My way, no shadows here to hide away. I'll fight, I'll soar, I'll break the mold. In this summer's blaze I'm bold. Summer's burning, feel the heat. The fire inside can't be beat. Through the sweat, through the flame, I'll rise up strong. Call my name. Blazing summer, hear my cry. I'll spread my wings, I'll touch the sky. No matter how hard I'll push through this summer's line, I'll see it through. Under the sun, I find my way. No shadows here to hide away. I'll fight, I'll soar, I'll break the mold. In this summer's blaze I'm bold. Blazing summer, hear my cry. I'll spread my wings, I'll touch the sky. No matter how hard I'll push through this summer's line, I'll see it through.
While your games, they can see that your resources have been added automatically into your account. Here's mine. Thank dear players for watching. Please share, like and subscribe to my channel.